गुड आफ्टरनून ऑल ऑफ यू। हमने जो है पिछले लेक्चर में इनॉल ईथर डिस्कस किया। इनॉल ईथर की प्रिपरेशन और उसका इंट्रोडक्शन जो है हमने उसमें देखा। आज जो है हम इनॉल ईथर के सिंथेटिक यूटिलिटी डिस्कस करेंगे। ओके, सो देर आर two synthetic utility of enol ether. First one is formation of 2-bromo-ethyl methyl ether, and the second one is formation of alpha hydroxy ketone. Okay, we will see in both utility one by one. So the first synthetic utility of enol ether is formation of 2-bromo-ethyl methyl ether. Okay, let us see here. Here I am take enol ether. Okay, we know that in enol ether the lone pair of oxygen is conjugated with this pi bond. Okay, so this lone pair is delocalized with this pi bond, due to which a resonating structure is developed or formed. It is called as a oxonium ion. Okay, so firstly the lone pair of oxygen is delocalized with this pi bond, and we will get a oxonium ion resonating structure. Okay, after the formation of oxonium ion resonating structure, the oxonium ion of enol ether is treated with HBr. Okay, we know that HBr undergoes fragmentation to form a H positive and Br negative. Okay, so the negative charge of carbon of the oxonium ion abstract one proton to form this type of intermediate product. Okay, after the formation of this type of intermediate, the remaining bromine negative is attacked on this carbon atom, due to which this pi bond shifted toward the oxygen, and oxygen stabilizes their positive charge, and we will get a final product 2-bromo-ethyl methyl ether. Okay, when we numbering this structure at that side, so this is one position, this is two position, and at two position bromine is present, so it is called as a 2-bromo-ethyl methyl ether. Okay, so this is the first synthetic utility of enol ether. Now the second utility of enol ether is formation of hydroxy ketone, alpha hydroxy ketone. Okay, firstly I am taken here enol ether. Okay, so in the preparation of alpha hydroxy ketone, firstly enol ether treated with a strong base like N-butyl lithium. So N-butyl lithium abstract this proton from the enol ether to form this type of intermediate. Okay, so after the formation of this intermediate further treated with any carbonyl compound. Okay, so here I am taken ketone. So the negative charge of the deprotonated product of enol ether attack on the carbonyl carbon atom of ketone to form this type of intermediate product. Okay, the bond formed between negative charge carbon atom and this carbon atom, so due to which this pi bond shifted toward the oxygen, so oxygen bear a negative charge. Okay, after the formation of this type of product, this product is undergoes protonation. Okay, so we will get this type of intermediate product. Okay, after the formation of this type of intermediate product, this intermediate product undergoes amalgated hydrolysis. Okay, in presence of Hg+2 oblique water. So after the undergoes amalgated hydrolysis, we will get this type of intermediate product. Okay, and after the formation of this type of intermediate product, here the bond present between oxygen and here generally deprotonation takes place. Okay, this H positive will be removed here, and this bond present between oxygen and hydrogen migrate towards in between oxygen and carbon atom, and this pi bond shifted toward the CH2. So this CH2 bear a negative charge, and we will get this type of intermediate product. Okay, so here generally deprotonation is take place. Okay, and we will get deprotonated product. Okay, after the formation of this product, this CH2 negative abstract this releasing proton, and we will get our final product, alpha hydroxy ketone. Now look here, this is our functional group, and this carbon atom is alpha carbon atom, and at alpha position one hydroxy group is present, so it is called as a alpha hydroxy ketone. Okay, this is all about the synthetic utility of enol ether. Okay, so the formation of alpha hydroxy ketone is generally in between in the reaction in between enol ether and any carbonyl compound. Okay, I hope you will be understand better. If you have any problem regarding to this synthetic utility, you can ask me personally. Okay, so near about the 4th unit of organic chemistry is fully completed. Okay,